see the word inverse. T varies, becomes equals K, inversely as X, so it's over X. And when X is 40, T is 200. 200 equals K over 40. Multiplying each side by 40, we get 8,000 for K. Substituting that back in, we create a general equation of T equals 8,000 over X. Find T when X is 50. That becomes 8,000 divided by 50. Divide each by 10 is the same as crossing off a 0. 80 or 800 divided by 5 is 160. And that would be our value. Fred and Barney work together. They finish it. Okay, work problem. Fraction plus fraction equals 1. They complete the job in 12 hours working together. That means the together time is 12. Fred is working twice as fast. So one denominator is an x, the other denominator is a 2x. How long would it take each working alone? That's what we're solving for down in the denominator. So we're going to multiply through by 2x, which is the least common denominator. In the first fraction, the x's cancel, leaving 12 times 2, which is 24. In the second fraction, the 2x's cancel altogether, leaving 12. And on the right, there's nothing to cancel with, so 1 times 2x is 2x. We get 18. Let's try that again. We get 36 is equal to 2x. And dividing by 2, we get 18. You can see I was already at the answer here. 2x, that would be Barney. And x, that would be Fred. I know it says Fred works twice as fast, and we'd think that 2x would be with Fred, but twice as fast means he gets it done in less time. So the actual x goes with Fred, and the 2x goes with Barney. That's a little bit tricky that you have to watch out for sometimes. We got two people riding on their motorcycles. We see in the same time. So I'm going to have d over r, time for one person, time for the other person. The two names of the people are Bud and Ed, so I'll assign them each a fraction. Bud, whoa, my pen just fell. Let's try this again. Bud travels 10 miles an hour faster, so we're going to give him an r plus 10, whereas Ed just has an r down below. Bud travels 105 miles, that's his distance, in the same time that Ed travels 90. So I think we have our equation there. We're just trying to solve for each of their speeds. We're going to multiply through by the least common denominator, r times r plus 10 on each side of the equation. On the left, the r plus 10s cancel, leaving 105 times the r. And on the right, the r's cancel, leaving 90 times the r plus 10. I'm now going to distribute on the right, leaving the 105r on the left, equal to 90r plus 900. Subtract off that 90r to the left, leaving 15r equals 900. And it looks like r is going to be 60, and we're dealing with miles per hour. R is in Ed's fraction, and that would mean adding 10, r plus 10, we get 70 miles per hour, and that will be Bud's speed. Oops, I probably should show you the whole thing. Bud's speed right there.